Hello, viewers. I am Roslyn. Welcome to Daily Kitchen Makings. In today's video, I'll be making yam and egg sauce. I would also be sharing some health benefits of yam. The ingredients I'll be using for today's recipe are egg, crushed seasoning cubes, chopped tomato, blended pepper, tomato and ginger, chopped cayenne pepper, sardine, onion, salt, curry powder, thyme, vegetable oil, and yam. So here, I'm bringing the yam to a boil. I added salt. Some people prefer to add sugar to their yam, but for me, salt is just fine. I'm heating up oil in order to make the egg sauce. I added the onion, added curry powder, added some thyme, and here I added the chopped cayenne pepper, and here I added the chopped tomato. Please, my wonderful viewers, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you will know when I post new content. So here I'm still frying the pepper and tomato. And here I added the blended pepper, tomato, and ginger. Yeah, I added sardine, added seasoning cubes, and finally I added the egg. Some of the health benefits of yam are: 1. It regulates blood sugar levels. 2. It has a high fiber content. 3. It lowers blood cholesterol. 4. It reduces inflammation. 5. It promotes a healthy eyesight. 6. It lowers blood pressure. 7. It promotes brain health. And this is the case because yam is high in potassium mineral that enhances the function of the brain. 8. It is high in antioxidants. 9. It prevents cardiovascular diseases. And this is the case because yam contains vitamin B6 that reduces the chances of heart diseases. So now the yam and egg sauce is ready. Yam and egg sauce is a simple, delicious, and easy to make meal. Please tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section. There are a number of yam and egg sauce recipes, and this is just one of them. Please remember to like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will know when I post new videos. Your support means the whole world to me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.